When I first got serious about trading, I was drawn to the idea of consistent monthly income. Professional strategies, structured systems, and the promise of trading like a pro. It sounded perfect. And honestly, it taught me a lot. Risk management, journaling, how options really work. But after 5 years, I realized something important. Most income trading isn't as sustainable as it looks on paper. First, let me be clear. Structured trading programs do teach you valuable lessons. I learned how markets behave, not just what prices do. The importance of a trading plan and sticking to it. How to track decisions through journals, so every trade teaches you something. Those lessons stuck with me and shaped how I trade today. Discipline and process are everything, not luck or hype. But here's the painful truth I learned the hard way. Many programs promise monthly income, using option spreads. But if you look at the math, these strategies lose more often than they win unless timing is perfect. As a trader, that's tough, because your goal isn't winning one trade, it's building a system that works over time. Second, the idea of trading firm capital often isn't what it sounds like. You might think you're trading someone else's money, but usually you're still limited to a small percentage of the portfolio. That reality is very different from the promise. And finally, income isn't a strategy. It's a byproduct of probability, risk management, and a structured process. After years of testing, I shifted my focus, not to one perfect strategy, but to a framework that actually works. That framework looks like this: structured exposure across multiple strategies, adaptive overlays that respond to market changes, capital efficiency, so every dollar works harder without adding unnecessary risk, disciplined risk management at the core of every decision. The goal wasn't chasing income every month. It was creating a repeatable, reliable process that works across different market conditions, and that shift completely changed the way I trade. Framework and tactics. Here's the truth most traders don't hear. There is no single income strategy that works forever. Sustainable trading comes from process, not prediction. Discipline and probability always beat hype and excitement. If you're an active investor who wants to operate more like a professional, start thinking in systems, not trades. Income, consistency, and capital growth come naturally when you get the process right. I'll be sharing more about how I approach trading, structure portfolios, and manage risk in future videos. If you want to see what a professional approach actually looks like, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's build a smarter, more disciplined way to trade together.